So my fabric sand, my double pins, I'm going to take those out. And I need a 1/4 seam allowance. That's the same thing as 2/8. So it's that line right there on the edge. Very, very skinny. Back stitch at the beginning, go all the way around. If you get bubbles, you might have to lift up this way.